I was walking in the park one day. I saw some children playing football in the park. I wanted the children to play and enjoy more because it makes me happy to see children happy. But the children's football went to the wheat field. The owner of the field had watered the field. The children were very upset that they will not get their football anymore, and I was very sad to see that the children started crying. I said to the children, "What is the point of crying?" I said to the eldest child that you should go and get it from the farm, but the child replied that the owner of the farm is very angry, so I am afraid to go. I decided to go to the owner of the farm myself. I talked to the farmer, but the farmer was very angry that my field would be damaged. I tried my best to get the children's football back, but I failed because the farmer was very angry. It was very sad to see the sad faces of the children that they were no longer able to play. I want to advise everyone from this incident that we should never be so angry.